Welcome. In this video, I will be replacing a KitchenAid control board W11120155. We begin by turning off the power, then verifying the power is off by pushing in the control buttons. Using a T15 torque driver, I remove the 10 screws starting on the sides, then the top. Then holding down the white clip, I was able to slide the control board to the right. I disconnected the white wires on top. To remove the main power cables, I first had to remove the gray cover by inserting a small screwdriver to release the clip. And I had to replace the gray cover again once the main power wires were back in place. To remove the 6 sets of low voltage wires, I first had to push down on the gray wire holder by pushing the clips to the side. Then I was able to push it down. Then to undo the actual wire harness, I had to hold down the small clips. After I inserted the wire harness, I re-secured the gray holder in place. Holding down the white tabs, I was able to work out and release the power cable. I found best to place the new controller on top of the old controller, so I would be sure to place the sets of wire harnesses in its correct location. Then I put it all back together again, the same way I disassembled, sliding the control power box over, reinserting the white low voltage wires. Then this time I started with the side screws, then the top. After I was finished with the dishwasher, the dishwasher worked well. I made sure the power was back on, of course. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.